Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Bybit how to earn 16 euros. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. On Bybit, there are a few legit ways you can earn around 16 euros. So to do it, simply head over and open up your Bybit application and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. And once logged into your account, you will also, if you are a new user, get it bonuses by simply completing the verification of the KYC and by completing simple tasks like deposit, first aid, and future tryouts. Rewards are credited as USDT bonuses and can be used for trading or sometimes withdrawn after conditions. Check on the rewards hub in your profile as well. The next is to earn by referral program. To do it, all you gotta do is just simply tap on your profile icon on the top left corner of your screen. And once there, what you need to do is simply tap on more on the home screen. And once you're inside here, you'll be seeing the invite friend option. Simply tap on that. And now all you gotta do is simply tap on the invite now option and you'll be getting a referral link. All you gotta do is send it to your friend, and when they log in using your link, you'll be credited around $10 to $20 per referral. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.